Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change notification pop-up style in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change style of our pop-up notifications, we have to go to menu, our settings menu here. Then we are looking for notifications here, and at the top here we have notification pop-up style. And as you can see, by default, it's a brief notification. We can choose detailed, or we can customize our brief one. For example, we can change as you can see, our pop-up style. Let's leave it as that, done. And a few other options. But we can all do it in this little menu right there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.